Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you some difference between a BS3 and a BS4 edition. So here's my friend Harith. He has recently got a new Classic 350. So the first thing what comes in BS4 is the headlight. This headlight is always turned on. So suppose your ignition is off right now, and as soon as I switch on the ignition, the headlight is on. And there is no headlight switch over here. And by the way, if you are planning to put on a headlight switch, there is a fine of 3,500 to 5,000 buffering fine. I don't know, in different states there's a different fine. So that's the one thing which is there in BS4 new edition. And actually BS4 is related to emission, to reduce the air pollution. So RE has come out with a different feature in this. So there are two filters in your bent pipe. There are two filters over here and one filter in your exhaust. This is another thing which differentiates BS3 and a BS4 version. And there is another thing, there is a series of number in your exhaust ending. So you can actually see the series of number. It starts with RE and ends with numbers saying this. So the number is like RE572046. So this is another thing which has come out in BS4. And one more thing in BS4 is, as you can see, if you fill more than 10 liters of fuel in your bike, there is an air clot or air jam passage filter or something above the fuel tank, fuel passage, which actually helps you not to fill more than 10 liters of fuel. The excess fuel, the liquid fuel, will flow to the canister, to the pipe in a canister. Canister is over here, a green color thing, green color box, which was not there in BS3 version. This one, it says there's some series of number over here as well. And this actually, if the fuel passes to a canister, then your bike will have a misfiring kind of a sound, misfiring, which is not at all good for your bike. And fifth thing what Royal Enfield has done in BS4 is the stand. As you can see, the quality of the stand is really good. So if you are putting in a double stand bike, it stays over here. There's a grip, nice grip, it doesn't move here and there. But whereas in BS3 edition there was not a good grip in your bike, and then it used to move here and there. So that's it guys for my variation of BS3 and BS4. Stay tuned for the next videos. Guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.